Otto always has to be clever. I always gotta think of something he can use. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm Xavier, and today we're gonna be watching House of the Dragon again. So season 2, episode 2. Last episode we got some. This was like a. This first episode, that first episode was like a telling of where everything was at after the last events of season 1, where we had Viserys dying, Aegon being crowned, and to usurp Rhaenyra, and then Rhaenyra also crowning herself. Well, not all crowning herself, but Daemon crown, whatever you call it. Daemon, Rhaenyra being crowned, and she got Valyrians and um oh, and she sent out ravens, and then but to the Baratheons, the Aryans, and the Starks, whereas the Greens, the Alicent's people, they got the Baratheons. And in that whole thing, Luke got killed by Aemon from the Greens. And then so this first episode we had last first episode we had where we got confirmation that the Starks and the Aryans are siding with the Blacks, and Kristen and Alicent have a little clandestine relationship thing going. Aemond and Kristen, they are not in favor of the plan so far by Alicent and Otto. So, and Lars doing his own thing. He got rid of Alicent's people and he inserted his own people. And he's trying to make a move with Aegon, and Aegon was kind of a bit uneasy and everything. And in that's basically it. Elena was being scared because her prophecy brain was working. Yeah, and we see Aegon being kind of about being king. He's enamored with the whole thing right now. So, Alicent was right that it's like a 9-day wonder for him. Yeah, so that was all the thing on the black side, and on the green side, Rhaenyra was caught up about Luke, and she had to wait until she found the body, and then their grieving process, everything. Daemon with Ansi wanted to get going. Rhaenys has been patrolling along with Corlys has been keeping. So Rhaenys and Corlys for the Valyrians have been keeping the blockade around King's Landing and stuff like that. So the Blacks have the sea supremacy currently, and Vhagar has been patrolling King's Landing. So no other the Blacks have been attempted to go to King's Landing. They don't want to face Vhagar, and so when Rhaenyra comes back and also from Mysaria, the White Worm, so she helped out Daemon transactionally for freedom. So Daemon used Rhaenyra wanting something, and they went ahead. They wanted Aemon killed because that's what Rhaenyra said, but Aemon wasn't killed. It was instead Jaehaerys, the son, the eldest son of Elena and Aegon. And so, bada bing, bada boom, yeah, a son for a son. Yeah, so we'll see the fallout of that in this episode. And I also think we're not gonna see the Starks again for the rest of this season. That's what I've been told, based on the news and stuff. But we'll see. So it'll most likely be next season the Starks come in. I remember bits and pieces, but not 200s in me. All right, and so a lot of talking, a lot of this and that. Let's get into it. Okay, so the aftermath of Blood and Cheese. And looks like they're gathering all the stuff for everyone in King's Landing to gather them up. So, a bit of a disclaimer. was watching this episode up to the part where if you were as that Damon riding off on Syrax, that's where I paused and I realized I wasn't being recorded audio wise. So I'm just starting over.
They're not striking me! I am the king! I declare war!
I hate that Viserys' stuff had to get mashed up because of this. Yeah, that sucks. I understand his frustration though. Yeah, okay. And Aemon here discovering how they entered the castle.
The villain will be found.
I was doubting that. But apparently they found him.
And they will pay for this.
I get why Alicent would not want to be comforted by Otto. He wasn't like the best father to her, you know?
The gods punish us. They punish me.
For what sin?
I'm thinking here she means the Strongs, Larys's brother and father.
We will mourn as we must, but some good may yet come of this.
Were you also threatened to, Grace?
I could have been!
I beg.
I'm bad! Instead of safeguarding the sanctity of my family.
He was definitely in bed. He was in bed.
Who would do this save the bitch queen of bastards? The smug cunt of Dragonstone. There she sits across the bay on her rock, laughing at me.
Tense. Yay, tense.
We caught him, fleeing the gate of the gods, with the child's head in a sack.
I'll kill him myself.
We do well to get what information we can from the blackguard.
Yep. Be calm.
It could be any one of you in this room.
A maester wouldn't do that. It's most likely poison from a maester.
I will not be seen as weak.
You're already seen as weak, Aegon. Let no one say I do not grieve.
It's tough to tell.
This was my grandson. I loved him. I will not have him die in vain.
Always gotta have an angle.
Those who declared for Rhaenyra, will they still support her when they hear of her depravity, or will they rather not renounce her?
Otto always has to be clever. Always gotta think of something he can use. I guess that's part of being a good hand still. But please, some humanity. Oh yeah, here I was wondering if they're ignoring their third child. They're supposed to have 3, and then they're supposed to have twins and then another young son, like a baby. Seeing her face, it triggered my memory for that.
I don't want to. Neither do I. A blow to the king is a blow to the realm.
Yeah.
Grief, they draw closer to us.
But I don't want them closer. I don't know them.
Sometimes we have to pretend.
Yep, it's part of the game.
Why?
The game is the game.
Helena, what you saw last night when you came to my room.
This is for my boy.
Yeah.
Oh, brother, whoa, now. You got too much dip on your chip.
Yeah, not the time to talk about this. Not the time to talk about that. Not at all. Oh yeah, and here I was thinking like, how could the gold cloak get himself captured? Yeah, I know I'm talking about the stuff that I was talking about previously. But just the scenes again is just triggering me to remember what I was thinking about. But like, I can't believe that he got himself get captured. The rat catcher escaped, but this guy, he got himself captured. Oh yeah, and then next scene is I'm thinking about, and then yeah, I realized the next scene is this, where we see him, the gold cloak.
I was hired by Daemon Targaryen.
Donna, Lynn, Pat, Lori, Shelley, Aaliyah, Rose, Brian, Darren, and Ulysses.
Employed by the household. I don't know his right name.
Yeah, my boy spilled fast. He saw those tools and he said, no, I am not being...
The works of Rhaenyra Targaryen. Pretender to the throne.
I hate that they had to happen to him. That's a child. I'm surprised that said Kingslayer, not Kinslayer, as in K-N, not K-N-G. Completely fair what Aegon does here. Completely fair. It is what it is. Oh, I didn't catch this here before, but you can see how Alicent is... Oh yeah, this is a great shot. This old little... with the... Yeah. I really like it. But oh yeah, you see how Alicent knows her daughter and that Helena is like on the edge and stuff, yeah. Love that cut. Love it.
At a time when we most need loyalty to our cause.
But it's a lie.
No, it's not.
Having lost my own son, that I would inflict such a thing on Helena of all people.
The death of Prince Lucerys was a shock and an insult.
I love that Rhaenys clocked how Daemon's acting.
Naturally, secretly.
Because she's...
Jesting, Sir Alfred, that my grief drove me to order the decapitation of a child.
I merely thought, perhaps, an action taken in haste.
Mind yourself.
Yep. I love that. I love that look. I can see Rhaenys clocked Daemon, and now Rhaenyra is clocking him too.
Dell in the house here at Rocket Mortgage Field House.
I need to talk.
Did you send assassins to murder children in their bed?
I was clear in my instructions. Aemond, the brother of Aegon the Usurper. I cannot be responsible for a
Cannot be
mistake.
responsible.
Child.
You said that it was your aim to spill Hightower blood. And if not Aemond, then anyone would do.
No.
You have wounded me, weakened my claim.
Yeah, because Rhaenys and I think Daemon and Viserys, they grew up together and stuff like that, even though she's older. So she'd have clocked. She knows him a lot. She knows him well.
As a tool with which to grasp at your stolen inheritance. But before that, you sought to lead a council of war while I laboured alone in my bedchamber.
Clock it, yeah.
Clock that T.
Clock it.
Clock that T.
Clock it.
Clock that T.
Consider the terms
Folly,
are
a
both
folly.
before us.
To give up my brother's throne to the traitorous lies of our
My throne, Damon, mine. Oh, I don't know what to think of you. I don't know what you are, or who it is you serve.
We're not on my way even now to Harrenhal to raise an army in your name, Rhaenyra. Yours.
Do you accept me as your queen and ruler?
Kind of a good question, kind of a bad question.
He could not trust you any more than I can trust you. You struck down a child.
It was a mistake.
You're pathetic.
Damn. Rough.
Father?
Yeah, they had a bit of an argument.
I depend on you, Baela. Stay high and keep your distance.
Yep, be safe. Be safe while doing this.
Avoid no further mistakes.
Exactly. Can't lose any dragons. guess here Daemon is heading to Arenal for the army. But I would say this is a very, very good sequence. It's extremely well done. I love it. With the music and the visuals, yeah. And this is where I stopped. So everything here onward is new to me. Oh, damn. Oh. I love the cinematography. Very, very good.
Have you told anyone?
What do you take me for?
He's not an idiot.
It's absolution.
There is none for what I've done.
I guess he feels guilty. I get it. I get why. Ten out of 10.
What is this? It's a reminder of yesterday, I think. The white cloak is a symbol of our purity, our fidelity. Kingsguard are a sacred trust. Will you so easily sully our ancient honor?
Kristen is doing this for his own reasons, yeah. To absolve himself. That's why he's lording it over Sir Eric here.
Where were you when Jaehaerys was murdered?
Well, if you had thought to go upstairs, where were you? Oh, come on. And why has Helena the Queen been granted no sworn protector? Surely once she ascended, she should have...
Your brother is a thief and a traitor to the crown.
Everybody's escaping. They want no parts of this argument.
You have brought disgrace upon our ranks. And now you must restore it.
Restore it how?
You will go to Dragonstone and strike down Rhaenyra in her own halls.
Yeah.
The way she sought to do with Aemond.
Sure.
We will pay the princess back in her own bloody coin.
He's not gonna be able to do that. I
Alone. Does your courage fail you, Sir Eric? It's not a matter of courage.
It's a matter of...
The castle is defended against all enemies. Now it's...
Yeah, it's a matter of sense.
How would I enter? Your twin serves there at the pleasure of the so-called queen. They will mistake you for him if you play the part. If they see the two of us... You must not let that happen. You would send me to my death. Or to triumph.
No death. If I was Eric... Glory. I would resign. I would just resign here.
As you command. My lord.
Trash. Trash, trash, trash.
Sometimes I think I hate him.
It's hard. With fathers.
And Sir Harwin strong.
He was gentle and fierce. He loved us, I think.
Of course he did.
Miss Luke.
Yeah. I'm sure you would. But I like this tender moments between Bella and Jacaerys here.
In truth, I am proud that he considers me such a foe.
That's not why he killed you.
That he seeks
Anyway,
to murder
whatever.
me in my bed. He's afraid of me.
Okay, buddy. Alright there. Alright, buddy.
The boy is grown into a man. No, not here. I do regret that business with Luke. I lost my temper that day.
I would remind you only that when princes lose their temper, it is often others who suffer.
Yeah, okay. Wise.
Small folk. Like me.
Is this guy the what's his name again?
The markets have been running low since the blockade.
What's it called again? Armorer, who was there in the first episode. Yeah, I think it was it. I think that's him. This is rare. I don't think I've ever seen it from the small folks side.
Will you sail with him when his ship has been repaired? I am one of a dozen shipwrights now called from Hull to attend with all speed to your fleet.
Adam from Hull. That name sounds familiar.
That's because you haven't seen what I've seen. There is a war brewing, Adam. A real one.
Another opportunity to distinguish yourself.
But he is not the king.
Neither am I. But I manage.
Okay, alright.
But neither can he allow her to command him.
Pity.
Yeah, probably, yeah.
I have on occasion found that to be quite enjoyable.
We will not let the Queen falter.
I like that inner look into their relationship, a little pillow talk. Alright. Decent, decent.
I took profit from an inevitability. I regret it now.
I'm sure you do.
Because she's with you. That's why she regrets it. Of course.
Who are you?
A prisoner. Does he say otherwise?
He's gone.
For how long?
A week? Or forever, I do not know.
You remember me now.
Oh, she didn't know her before. Oh, okay.
He said he would marry you.
Yes.
I can do nothing now but ask you to honor your husband's words.
It would not serve me to set you free.
Powerful men. Bit by bit, I earned my living. A house, a household, a home.
And that was destroyed.
Set it all aflame.
Yep, Otto did.
Damon, Otto Hightower, makes no difference. They will never accept me. I might as well have remained a whore.
I don't know what to think of that scene. I'll probably have some thoughts on it later. But maybe she's gonna be using her for some reason. Are these all people all rat catchers? Is that why they're dead? Oh, they caught him. Damn. So both Blood and Cheese got killed. And they didn't get their second half of the money.
What have you done?
The rat catchers!
Oh, I had them hanged.
Idiot!
Beware how you speak to your king, my lord.
The king is my grandson, and my grandson is a fool. He's worse than a fool. He's murdered innocent men.
And one guilty one.
And their wives and children gather now at our gates to weep and curse your name.
You don't think things through, Egon? Use your brain, son. Use your brain.
Use your brain! Use your brain! Use your brain! The thing in your head, use it!
With your child's blood, we bought their approval. With your mother's tears, we made a bitter sacrifice against the deprivations to come, and you've thrown it away.
Sir Kristen Cole has acted.
Oh yeah, the plan with Arik. Infiltrating
And what
Dragonstone.
has Sir Kristen Cole done? Alone?
Yes, a stupid plan, yes.
He's pretending to be his own twin. Brilliant.
God's help us all.
I'm surrounded by idiots.
dignity.
Fuck dignity.
I want revenge.
Yep, that's what he wants.
My father is dead.
He is. And we are the poorer for it.
Damn, okay. You can't say that right in front of him.
He was right about you.
He made me king.
Is that what you think?
Remove your badge, Sir Otto.
Yeah, that was coming. It was gonna happen sooner or later.
You wouldn't dare.
He would.
Give it to Cole.
That is atrocious decision.
My new hand will be a steel fist.
You will regret this.
I'm sure you will.
You are dismissed.
And so goes Otto Hightower. No longer the hand.
You may go.
Your Grace.
Sir Eric, Miss Arya will be leaving us. Let her collect her things.
She recognizes that is not Sir Eric and that is Sir Eric.
A moment.
I thought you were within.
Sorry, lack of vigilance. The enemy is about, good sir.
Oh, this is tense.
I'm restless. I will stand this evening's duty.
Sir Eric.
Believe me, I had no choice.
I don't understand.
Brother!
Run, Elijah! Run and find Sir Lawrence!
Which is Eric? We were born together. You parted us! But I still love you, brother. Forgive me.
No!
Twins?
Twins.
Yeah, double homicide.
Bitch.
No, I'm sorry.
It is ignorance and vanity.
Oh my gosh.
Steel and bone, he has not the long view.
None of them do.
No, they don't.
I can't stay here. Exiled from the council.
Yeah, it doesn't make sense for him to stay in King's Landing.
The High Towers still have strength, and you have a son there who'll take more kindly to instruction. Daron may yet help us in weeks to come.
Okay, the other son. Okay, cool. They're mentioning him. Confirmed.
Go rather to Highgarden. The Tyrells must be taken in hand. Their bannermen are wavering.
But we will yet prevail and bring forth peace, I still believe.
I have sinned.
Oh, wait, she's talking about her and Kristen?
I do not wish to hear of it.
Yeah, I'm sure he does not. He does not care right now. Oh, it's Aegon. Okay. Sad, sad, sad. Okay. Alright. Once you pop, you just can't stop, I guess. Alright. Alright, so that was Season 2, Episode 2 of House of the Dragon. Very good episode. I don't think I have any complaints. Let me just give a brief synopsis of what happened. Because as at this moment of doing this, I don't know the title of the episode. It hasn't updated yet on HBO Max, and I searched for some reviews and I haven't seen the name. So I'm not sure the name of the episode. Okay, right. So we had yeah, so I rewatched the first 20 minutes twice. So yeah. We had the fallout in the castle. So we had the fallout in the castle. And then also we had so that was Aegon destroying everything, just being like that. And Elena was distraught. Elena was like at her wit's end and just out of it, and the Aegon is just ignoring her right now. But yeah, so that they had the meeting in the small council. They discovered the gold cloak, and then the my name again. Yeah, the gold cloak got captured by Laris. They had the funeral procession. Aegon killed the gold cloak. The news they reached to Dragonstone. Oh yeah, and this is not relevant now, but they introduced some Sir Adam of Hull guy. That name sounds familiar to me. I think I know how this is ending, but I won't speculate on it. So, not to spoil anything, but yeah, I think I remember what it is. So, Alan and Adam, yeah, whatever. Okay, so got that out of the way. I won't speak on it more. We'll see what happens in the show. Right. Okay. So, film precision, Dragonstone, Daemon and Rhaenyra had this big argument, and Daemon went off to Harrenhal. We saw this nice moment between Bela and Jacaerys later, and they're talking about fathers and about the strong Sir Harwin Strong and about Sir Laenor, and so interesting there that they did that. Harwin Laenor and about Daemon. Yeah, so cool about the fatherly relationships there. Cause I was gonna say family is important, but then obviously like this whole thing is about they're all related, so whatever, not important. Kristen is feeling guilty and ashamed, and so he sets Sir Eric on this stupid mission, which yeah turned out to be stupid. And yeah, boy, Right, so Missaria is involved in this, and we see Otto is, well, I know I'm going all everywhere, but yeah, we see that they put some stuff from the viewpoint of the small folk, and so that was interesting. I don't know if it happened in like the later seasons of Game of Thrones. So I stopped when Jon Snow got killed, because that's just where it ended with the books, and I didn't want to watch past that. So the last 2 or 3 seasons I didn't watch. I made that watch the last parts of the last season just to see what was up, and then yeah, oof. So I'm glad I didn't continue. So I've never, so just to let you know, I've never seen the Battle of the Bastards. None of those things in the last 2 or 3 seasons. I have an idea of what happened because, but I didn't watch it for reasons, my own reasons. Okay, and yeah, so we have the mission, and Rhaenyra and Missaria have this conversation. We don't know where it's leading to, but eventually, Rhaenyra lets her go. Sir Otto finds out about Aegon killing the rat catchers, and we see that both Blood and Cheese now have been killed. They killed all the rat catchers they could find, and so bada bing, bada boom. If it was me, wait, but he only got half the money. I just realized so, and the head got discovered. So it would have been tricky for him to get all the money. Yeah, so sucks for him in that way that his plan. So he got killed and he didn't get to use the money or everything, but he killed a kid. So these are these, and we saw some tender moments between Rhaenys and Corlys. Cool. Right. So Masara is being let go, and she realizes that Masara's talking about Otto. Otto gets dismissed as the Hand of the King, and Sir Kristen is now the Hand of the King, which is an immensely awful move. Aemon is telling us how he regrets the thing that happened with Luke, and also about his insecurities regarding himself and Daemon, and about how he's like, oh, Daemon felt he was so scared of me that he had to send assassins and stuff like that. And well, boy, please. And so Messara recognizes that, wait, this guy was just with me, and now he's coming from the ships. No, that's not him. Something wrong here, so. And she reports it, and so that's definitely going to lead to a relationship between. That's definitely going to lead to a relationship between Missaria and Rhaenyra. Because they were bonding as women, you saw in that scene. Like she was saying, like Otto and Daemon wish she could have just remained a whore and stuff like that. But Rhaenyra, she was like connecting with her, some kind of bonding thing. Yeah, so we'll see how that plays out. Yeah, but then Eric and Eric, they kill each other. No, sorry. Eric kills Eric, and then Eric kills himself, which was immensely not a great move, because he feels he failed her, but bro, I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't think he needed to kill himself. That was way too much. But because now she has to find a replacement Kingsguard and Queensguard, sorry. And they don't grow on trees, because you have to find someone who is loyal, also someone who is also very skilled at being swordsman and all that. So, but it is what it is. So it was an immense stupid plan from them, and then Kristen and what's your name again, Alicent. start back them things again. Right. So this is a very, very good episode. I loved the cinematography and the sounds, the sound design and everything. And the acting was top notch. It was nothing that I did not like in this. We saw the essence of Aegon. He's just like not of good temperament, and we saw him being angry and then crying and ignoring his wife and his wife's sister, and yeah, just he's just a mess. And then it's just torn up everything because obviously her son got killed. I like that we got the mention of Daron, the fourth fourth child. And so Otto was heading towards Old Town, but then Allison told him, no, head to the Tyrells. We need to shore up our alliance. And yeah, so things are being set into play. Rhaenyra almost got killed. Luckily for her, her attendant was with her, and also that Eric caught on that something feels off here, and yeah, he did that, and also that Missaria came through for her, and Aegon has been making rash decisions with the killing of the Red Catchers Eve after Otto did a wise thing with their funeral procession. He got the small folk on their side and everything. And then Aegon is just killing that. And then Christian with this stupid plan of having the Arik infiltrate Dragonstone. So I guess next episode we'll see about how Daemon goes about with Aaron Hall and the follow-up from being Kristen being made the hand, which was just nonsense. And yeah, and so Rhaenyra, will we see Rhaenyra search for a new Queen's Guard? Will we see something developing with her and Missaria? We also have to find out how the allegiances of the lords are going to play out. Now that people might have been declaring for Rhaenyra, but now they might be, this thing she did where the kid that is blamed on her with the killing Jaehaerys will switch up. So that is something to consider. And yeah, so lots to happen. There's just a lot in this episode, and no complaints. I really liked it. Hold on, let me see if there is an update for the name of the episode right now. No update for the episode, so you'll see it in the title. Those are my thoughts for now. Goodbye.